Hello everyone, it's Ashwin Rao, and in today's video I wanted to take you through a quick approach that I use to restore vintage shell Cordovan, and specifically this pair of shell Cordovan vintage Florsheim Royal Imperial longwing bluchers with a sole refresh done by Wyatt and Dad Cobblers. So in this restoration I use a number of products. The first is water on a water dabber, which is simply something that will dispose and dispel water. A rag that I use, essentially wrapping that rag as simply as this. This is a cotton cloth. You can cut up a t-shirt, you can cut up some pantyhose, whatever you want, and then simply apply water to it and you end up with a nice surface to polish with. I use my favorite polishing products, which include Pure Polish products, including their neutral paste wax polish, their high shine wax polish, and their burgundy wax polish, in addition to this wonderful shell Cordovan cream that was released earlier this year by Pure Polish products in collaboration with Shelveg, and this Dapper Woodworks and Shelveg branded ebony stick, which I use to smooth out some of the rolls that you see here in shell Cordovan. This is a pair that has already been treated using a number of applications of the products described above. This is a pair I've worn about 5 times since I did the same treatment to this pair and to actually both pairs, but I wanted to show you some of the differences. So this is a pair that I've worn and I've just brushed off once I got home, but other than that, nothing's really been done to this vintage Color 8 shell pair. You can see that this Color 8 almost has a lighter brownish tint to it. This is what I believe happens with some fading and aging with Color 8, or at least vintage Color 8. Using the Pure Polish products shell Cordovan cream helps darken it back up and give it some of its original color back. So this is a bit of a faded look, but you can see that this shell Cordovan's in generally good shape. This is a 50-year-old pair of shell Cordovan. You can see the rolls that are formed on this shell. This is Horween shell. And you can see some scuff marks from wear. All in all, not a bad look for a shoe. And honestly, if you just do a little brushing, you're going to get 85 to 90% of the way there in terms of restoring the look of the shoe. I really like what Dapper Woodworks has created here to provide some smoothing. And the products, when combined with the Pure Polish products, you can see how much smoother those rolls are compared to where they were before. Compare this, the more intense rolls, to the more gentle rolls you see here. Now, obviously, if I wear this pair a few times, this will start to look like this again. And so in order to give you a more pristine look, make sure you use shoe trees and watch my videos on how to use this ebony stick. And you can see that this Pure Polish products Cordovan cream really provides a nice luster to the shell Cordovan here. Really nice sheen that you see coming through the entire shoe. And the wax and high shine polishes give you this little extra pizzazz, the higher shine to the tip and the medallion region. I will say that older shell Cordovan takes a little longer in my experience to get this high shine. I'm not sure if the brogue holes or whatever have worn a little bit and make it a little harder to regain that shine, but you can see that we've done a nice job achieving a mirror shine here as well as on the heel of the shoe. And the longwing blucher is one of the most classic styles of American footwear, and the Florsheim Imperial longwing blucher style is potentially the most iconic of the bunch. There's a number of others who make this style, including Alden, who continues to make this model. If I were to get a modern version of the longwing blucher, it would likely be Alden. There's other modern makers that have different takes, such as Grant Stone and others, but this is the classic style, and Alden comes close, but I still think Florsheim does it the best. So come in close here, and you see this almost brown color, and if I do the same approach right here, you will see that using that shell Cordovan cream definitely gives it a darker color. You can still see some of the browns poking through, and I think that this color right now is closer to a color 6 shell Cordovan, at least from what I've seen online, from what color 6 currently looks like. It's this deep maroon brown color that Shell Veg I know has, and there's a few others who have that color in their collection. You can see here that that color, once it's worn through and the conditioner has come off a little bit, is almost like a mid or dark brown color. So it's interesting that this color, after some application of the neutral colored Shell Cordovan cream, regains some of this color. Now the polishes, the wax polishes and the high shine polishes, what I usually used to provide a little bit more of a shine just to the tip and the heel block here. So there is some burgundy pigment now reapplied to the tip here, so that gives it a little bit more reddened, dark red appearance. But I just love that you can take a pair of quite old, 50-plus-year-old Shell Cordovan shoes, and after a little bit of work, a little bit of elbow grease and some pure polish products, some water, can't disregard the Wellington brush that I love, and some shoe trees, you're going to get something that started at this and turned into this. So I wanted to show you that by treating one shoe and not the other, so you can see what you could come to expect from a quick cleanup and restoration. So you should really be thinking about pure polish products for your shoe care products. Their wax polishes, their high shine polishes, and their Shell Cordovan creams are all relevant to the care of Shell Cordovan. And if you haven't already gotten one yet, the ebony stick from Dapper Woodworks is really the way to go in terms of caring for your shell, smoothing out those rolls, giving back and redistributing some of the oils and creams that are natural to the shell, and redistributing those to give a more uniform look in terms of the appearance of the shoe, which I'm thinking you can see here. So give those guys a look. Basic care, does not require a ton of work, does not require a ton of cream. For example, the high shine wax polish, this is how much I've used in the past 6 months. You can see that it's barely been used. Similarly, this burgundy cream polish, barely used. You do not have to use much of these wax polishes nor your cream polishes to achieve more than an adequate shine, and I would consider this a elevated shine. Dapper Woodworks, Shell Veg. Shell Veg is at the heart of a lot of these products, Shell Veg being a highly regarded and well considered shoe enthusiast who has gotten into the business of making high quality shoe care products from brands such as Dapper Woodworks with the ebony stick and the Shell Cordovan cream through Pure Polish products, one of my favorite care products of Shell that I think really provides a high quality shine. So give these guys a look when you're thinking about what you want, and you might be able to get this type of result if you find it appealing. Hope you're doing well. Have a good one. See you later. Bye-bye.